Are you holding back on using AI in your business because it feels intimidating, expensive, or just not for you? What if I told you that overcoming these fears can unlock hours of saved time, faster growth, or more revenue? In this video, I'm breaking down 10 most common fears entrepreneurs and startups have about adopting AI and showing you how to tackle step by step. No tech skills required. Whether you're just starting out or scaling towards 10 million in revenue, this is for you. So let's jump in. The first fear that I always encounter is a fear of I don't know where to start. AI feels overwhelming when you're bombarded with tools like ChatGPT, Airtable, Make.com, and so many more tools. So, how do we fix it? Start small with one problem. Use ChatGPT to write one email or Make.com to automate follow-ups. Start simple, solve one issue, and build confidence as you go. But once you know where to start, the new concern might pop up, and this is also one of the common fears. So the second fear I wanted to share with you is that fear of AI is too expensive. Think AI is only for billion-dollar businesses? Wrong. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Airtable offer free or affordable plans. Canva's free version saves you hours on design, and Airtable organizes your data without needing extra hires. The time you save often pays for itself within weeks, sometimes days. So now that the cost isn't a barrier, you might be thinking, but what if I don't have the tech skills to use it? Let's address that next. The next fear is I'm not tech savvy. This is also one of the common fears whether it's AI, whether it's other skills that you're going to be learning. This is one of the common fears. But let's talk about AI. If words like APIs, machine learning scare you, you're not alone. But most of the tools today are built for non-tech users. Platforms like Make.com use drag and drop interfaces, no coding required. Start with ChatGPT, where you can simply type your request and see results instantly. Now, even if you feel confident using the tools, there's another worry that often comes up. Will using AI make my business feel less human? Let's explore that. So the next fear I'm going to share is the fear of, will I be losing the human touch? You might worry that AI makes your business robotic, but the truth is, AI enhances human connection. Imagine letting AI draft repetitive emails or social media captions. While you focus on building meaningful relationships with clients, AI handles the background noise so you can shine where it matters the most. And as you're starting to see the benefit of AI, you might ask yourself, how much time will it take to learn all this? That's where the next fear comes in. The fear of it takes too long. It takes too much time to learn. The next fear is it takes too much time to learn. Busy entrepreneurs don't have time to master new tools. And I get that. Here's the solution. Dedicate just 10 minutes every day. Spend those 10 minutes drafting one email with ChatGPT or organize tasks in Airtable. Small steps compound into big wins. And before you know it, you're saving hours every week. Once committed to learning AI, another big question arises. Is my data secure? Let's dive into that right now. The next fear I'm going to talk about right now is, what about data security? Data privacy is a real concern, but it doesn't have to stop there. Stick to trusted platforms like OpenAI, Airtable that follow strict security standards. Avoid uploading sensitive data unnecessarily, and look into solutions that allow for secure local data management. So you have tackled security, but what about your team? Will they adapt using AI? Let's discuss how to make the transition easier. So the next fear, and I'm guessing that you know this a little bit if you're managing a team, it's the fear of my team won't adapt. Introducing new tools can feel like an uphill battle, but some wins drive big adoption. Show your team how AI makes their lives easier, like using ChatGPT to draft faster reports and automate repetitive tasks and that save an hour a day. Highlight the wins and celebrate the results to get buy-in. Once your team is on board, you might wonder, will AI work for my unique business? Let's explore how it can. So the next fear I'm going to talk about now is the fear of AI won't work for my business. You might think your business is too niche for AI, but there's an AI solution for every business. Whether you're in e-commerce, real estate, manufacturing, AI tools optimize processes like inventory management, email follow-ups, and customer support. Start with one workflow and see results and scale from there. Now, even if AI work for your business, you might worry, will I lose control over my decisions? Let's tackle that fear next. So the next fear I'm going to talk about now would be the fear of I will lose control over decisions. You're still the boss. AI doesn't replace you. Think of AI as an assistant. Use it for brainstorming, analyzing trends, automating low-value tasks. AI offers suggestions, but you make the final call. It's there to help you, not to take over. Finally, even if you trust AI, you might wonder if the results will be high quality. Let's discuss that. So the 10th fear that we're going to be talking about now would be a fear of AI results won't be high quality. AI outputs aren't always perfect at first, but they improve with feedback. Refine ChatGPT responses or tweak mid-journey designs to get better results. Start with non-critical tasks, and as you test and as you trust the results, you'll find that AI becomes a time-saving powerhouse. Let me share a quick story. Meet Sarah, a real estate agent who spent hours manually following up with clients and writing listings. She started small by using Make.com to automate follow-ups, ChatGPT to draft property descriptions. In just 1 month, she saved 15 hours a week, increased client engagement by 40%, and closed more deals without hiring extra staff. Sarah went from overwhelmed to thriving, and you can too. There you have it, the 10 most common fears by adopting AI. And exactly how to overcome them. AI isn't here to overwhelm you. It's here to save you time, streamline your workflows, and help you scale smarter. Start small, pick one tool, solve one problem, and watch your business transform. Now, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, let me introduce you Flowmax AI. It's your partner in simplifying your operations, automating repetitive tasks, transforming the way you work. Imagine having tailored coaching to identify your biggest automation opportunities, access to a supportive community of entrepreneurs mastering AI, and actionable steps designed to reduce overwhelm and deliver results fast. Flowmax AI is here to simplify your workflows, automate what slows you down, and transform your productivity into unstoppable growth. Ready to take action? Book a free discovery call today and see how Flowmax AI can help simplify, automate, and transform your business. The link is in the description below. Your next big transformation starts here. And I'll see you on my next video.